What's up guys? Magandang bahay, magandang buhay. Again, this is Ray. Today, we are here right now in Santa Rosa pa rin, syempre, to check this brand new house, which is a 150 square meters lot area and 250 square meters floor area. So check natin, huwag natin patagilin. Right here, meron tayong garage. Patapos pa lang yung house, matatapos siya ng second week of September. Yeah, pwede nyo siyang i-visit pagkatapos ng construction. Pagpasok nyo dito, makikita nyo dito yung main gate. Yan. Pumasok na tayo sa gate ng garage. Pero dito talaga yung area ng pasukan natin. Makikita nyo, napakaganda. Tara, pasok tayo dito sa main door. Wala pa yung door natin. Pagpasok nyo dito, you will be welcomed by the living area. On your right side, nandito yung kitchen natin. Walang sumalang, dito yung dining table. Dito tayo magluluto, preparation table or island kitchen. And dito sa first floor, meron tayong powder room. Yan. Wala pa siyang electricity ngayon, wala pa siyang mga ilaw. And first floor, one bedroom. Meron tayong one bedroom dito sa first floor with sariling CR. Yan. So guys, kasi ang ganda ng house, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa, dami naghahabulan. So, huwag kayo magpahuli guys. Again, September 2nd week, tapos na tong house na to. Akit muna tayo sa second floor. As you can see guys, may gumagawa pa. Dito sa second floor, makikita nyo high ceiling. Meron tayong chandelier. May stairs na down. Pagpasok nyo dito sa second floor, may space kayo dito malaki sa gitna. Bali, in total, this house has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And then, meron tayong 1 powder room sa baba. Yan, dito tayo sa bedroom 1 ng second floor. Kuya, pasok na kami yan. Sige lang po. Yan. Saka natin sila kuya, napakasipag. Ito yung isang bedroom natin. Meron na silang ginagawa ditong built-in cabinet right here. Yan, tinatapos nila. And then yung mga doors na wala sa baba, sa first floor, nandito lahat. Ganito yung mga designs ng doors na gagamitin. And dito sa second floor, meron tayong common CR. This is for these 2 rooms. Kasi ito yung walang sariling CR. Yung bedroom 2 natin sa second floor, may access to sa balcony dito. Ayan. Sa second room, ito yung access mo sa balcony. Bali, ito yung likod ng house. And then, dito naman tayo last sa third bedroom ng second floor, which is the master's bedroom. Let's go! Yeah. Alam mo yung special dito sa master's bedroom? Meron ng jacuzzi na ilalagay dito sa CR niya. Bali, hindi pa tapos, pero yeah, the contractor told us na merong jacuzzi dito na pwede nyong ma-enjoy. And yeah, this is the master's bedroom. Balcony, meron din access. Naka-cove ceiling na rin siya. Napakaganda. Bali, yeah, I think that's it. This is a 2-story house that has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms na may 1 powder room. And then, of course, pag kinuha niyo itong house na to, meron na rin siyang mga appliances such as mga aircons. Sa lahat ng rooms, may aircons tayo. And sa living room, may aircon din. Yeah, so far, napakita ko naman yung buong house sa inyo from first floor to second floor. Bali, this house is a 2-story house na may 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and 1 powder room sa first floor. And again, this is a 250 square meters floor area and 150 square meters na lot area. If you think this property is the right place for you, you can contact us here in this number. For more property options, you can visit our social media accounts or visit our website at www.snr-realty.com. Once again, my name is Ray and this is SNR, creating better places, one neighborhood at a time. Magandang bahay, magandang buhay.